In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can convert DWG files in DXF or SVG using AnyConv website. So first of all, DWG is a vector graphics CAD file coming from AutoCAD. And sometimes we want to use open source software, but we cannot do it using DWG. But for example, we can use DXF or SVG, which are open source formats or more versatile formats that you can use in many 3D software or CAD application, but also graphic design application. So what we need to do is to convert DWG using AnyConv in DXF or SVG. So this is what we are gonna do here. So you can look for the exact page in AnyConv just by typing AnyConv DWG to DXF and just reach the result, first result there to convert DWG in DXF. And we can leave English here. And now we just need to choose a file. So I'm gonna go in my folder where I store DWG and DXF files, and I'm going to get a DWG file. So this one here, you can see it's represented with that blue icon. That's Autodesk DWG. So I'm gonna select that to convert it. So I'm gonna open it up, choose the file that I wanna, the file format that I wanna use. So you can see you have many. You have like also raster graphics like JPEG. You have Photoshop. You have PDF. You have PNGs, and also OBJ for the 3D. So you have many different options here. But we're gonna go for SVG, which is the more compatible and the more open source. So SVG means scalable vector graphics. This means that you can open it up in any vector graphics application. And I'm just gonna do some example here while we wait the file to be converted. So for example, if you work in the architecture technical design business, you can use LibreCAD. This is an open source CAD application. Then you have Blender if you want to do like 3D, but also you can do 2D in Blender as well, and animation and many more things. Or you can use Krita, for example, if you are more like a graphic designer, illustrator. So it's vector graphics open source software. So these are just 3 examples. You will find many more out there. And also in our channel, you will find video courses and video guides about many different 2D, 3D software. So the file is ready here. I'm just going to click on download SVG, and I'm just going to save it in a folder, whatever folder I want. So you can change the name there if you want. You can see there is scalable vector graphics. So can be used in any application that uses vector graphics. So the job is done here in AnyConv. Let's jump into some of these applications to see the file. So sometimes you need to open it up directly. Sometimes you need to import it depending on the application. So this is Krita right here, and you can see the file. Now, if I zoom a lot, I can see the pixels because this is how I am visualizing the file, but should be scalable. So scalable vector graphics means that you can scale it up and down and it will never lose quality. This one here is LibreCAD. So here you can see the technical drawings are there. You can see also this filling of the various rooms. But if I zoom in, I can see the hatches. I can see the patterns, all the pieces of that project. And finally, this is Blender. So you can see here, it's working fine as well. So we can now proceed, for example, in the 3D modeling. And here in Blender, you need to import, and you can see you can import also the DXF, and that's the SVG. So you can import either DXF or SVG, and then you can proceed in modeling, 3D modeling, animation, and many more things that you can do in Blender. And again, you will find a full video course in Blender in our channel if you're interested. So this is just a short guide to show you how you can use DWG files also in other software that they don't have DWG as a compatible format, so you need to convert it and then you can use them and proceed your work. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more, and if you want to support us, give us a little thank you, you can do it by supporting and joining the channel as a supporter. And so check our other video courses in the channel, check our other video guides. This will be all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.